Hey everyone, if you're struggling with connectivity issues on your Android phone, whether it's mobile data, Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, resetting your mobile network settings can be a quick fix. And in today's tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of resetting your mobile network settings step by step. Let's get started. First, let's go to the Settings app. So open up the Settings app. Once you're in the Settings menu, scroll down and look for System. Now tap on the Reset options, and here you'll see a list of options for resetting various things on your phone. So to reset, select Reset Mobile Network Settings, enter your PIN, and your network settings have been reset. Now, if you want to do that for Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, you can do the exact same thing by hitting the reset button. You'll see a prompt confirming that this will reset your network settings and remove saved Wi-Fi networks, paired Bluetooth devices, and mobile data settings. Don't worry, none of your personal data or apps will be affected. So tap on the reset settings to confirm, and that is it. Your mobile network has been reset. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tutorials and Android tips.